we are Shashwat and Aparajita, proudly sponsored by Mr. Prabir. We are both in IT industry and building this business. Thanks Venkat and Anu for giving us this opportunity to present this for the first time. The topic for today is artistry nails. So we have few products in artistry nails. Who all are nail junkies like me in the room? Who love to have beautiful nails? And how much money do we spend? $40 per session? Yeah, because I used to also go to salons, beauty salons. I have to spend a lot of money, per session, just costs $40. And after being introduced to artistry, I normally do my own manicures. I don't go and spend too much of money. So we have 13 sensational shades in artistry. Artistry nail colors, they have 13 shades. So if you want to have different colors, you can actually choose any one of the colors. And the benefit of using artistry nail colors are they are super glossy, and secondly they're chip resistant, so it doesn't chip off easily, and thirdly they are long lasting. So if you use any other cheap products, what happens, the color just chips off. So it looks so messy when you just expose your nails to someone. So normally what we do is we just get rid of very soon, or we just keep our nails blank, right? We don't apply colors thinking, oh, it's just coming out. So if you use the artistry nail paints, so what happens is it lasts longer. So there are few categories what we have in artistry nail. There are like few products. So first is the base coat, then we have the normal shades, then we have a top coat, and there's an additional product called nail strengthener. So so all these lies in the nail category. So first thing, how we normally apply nail paint is we must apply a base coat. That's very important. It's a first step process. Normally many people don't know this, they skip this base coat. And I have a personal testimony to share to all of you. Now, I used to just apply my nail shades just like all of you. So after being introduced to base coat, I have started using the base coat, and what happens is I used to observe that my nails used to just get yellow because of the harmful chemicals in the nails. So nail paint, sorry. So what happened, my nails started looking yellowish, and I was thinking maybe because of the bad brands or whatever. So I started using the base coat, and after 6 months I have noticed that yellowness has vanished. So it's very important, whatever nail paints you use, always use a base coat. That's very important. Secondly, the second step is after applying the base coat, once it dries off, you can use your normal shade, whatever color you choose, and then you can use a top coat. Top coat actually gives a shiny finish, and the pattern to apply the strokes in the nails is like a three stroke process. So first what you need to do is apply at the center and then at the two sides, so it ensures a proper coverage across your nails and you don't leave any space on your nails. And there's a second trick, whenever you apply nail paints, it makes sure that you leave a space from the cuticle towards the nail, so that you give some space to your cuticles to breathe. So just like our skin, our cuticles need to breathe as well. So it's good if you observe, if you go to a nail salon, they normally don't start the strokes from the bottom of the cuticle. They leave some space. So it's important that we observe all these few tips and tricks while applying nail paints. We don't follow anything. We just keep applying. So these are a few things, and we have a nail strengthener as well. Nail strengthener, it's actually for people who are having very soft and brittle nails. So it can be used interchangeably with the base coat. For example, if somebody has a very soft nails, they can use a nail strengthener instead of a base coat, and then they can apply the nail shade and followed by a top coat. So it's similar to the fourth step process that we have in the skincare: cleansing, toning, treatment, and moisturizing. First you need to clean off your nails by using a good filer, take off the old nail paints that you have, then followed by a base coat, then the shade, and then the top coat. So it's very easy to remember as well. And the products are the high quality products, so when you use it lasts longer, and we can do the same at the comfort of our own home. So we don't have to spend money because the entire set, because every lady should have 3 sets: the base coat, the top coat, and the shade. So if you buy all together, it will hardly cost you $50. That's the IBO price, and $50 will last for over a year, depending on how many shades you have and what's your usage. so it lasts longer. So instead of spending $100 or $50 every month in a nail salon, you can actually do your own nails without spending so much money at the comfort of our home. And if you compare Artistry nails with other brands in the market that's available, like Chanel, Lancome, Dior, I mean, for people who are actually brand conscious, so it's very cost effective, because one dial would cost you just any color shade would cost you more than $30. So I have many people observe me at work, even while doing SAM sessions. They just ask me, your nails look good, that's super shiny, what do you use? So I always take the opportunity to share about Artistry. It's Artistry nails, we have all these products. And at the same time, if they have bad nails, I just tell them that, okay, you can additionally use our Health Skin and Nails. That's a very good supplement for weak nails. And that's it. With a good retail for skin, you can retail for nails as well. So happy clients, happy week. That's it from my end.